Well, hello mortals, and welcome to October 2019's Horror Pack Unboxing. Thought I might get into the Halloween spirit, if you might say. So, if you're wondering what Horror Pack is, let me give you a brief synopsis. It is a horror/thriller subscription service. For $24.99 you get 4 Blu-rays, and for $19.99 you get 4 DVDs. But if you get both boxes, you get 8 movies, 4 DVDs and 4 Blu-rays for around $45, and no duplicates between the DVDs and Blu-rays, which is fantastic. So, without further ado, let's hop right in to the old table and see what goodies Horror Pack has sent us for this Halloween. Alright guys, I'm back at the table. So, shall we begin? Now, let's see what our first goodie for this Halloween is. And we have, a double feature. This is the first time for me in Horror Pack on Blu-ray. We have Tragedy Girls and MFA, Mastering the Art of Revenge. Oh, that is cool. I have not seen either movie. You can pause it if you'd like to read the synopsis. I do believe Tragedy Girls was on Hulu. So, it is a Raven Banner releasing presents. So that's cool. So, our first opening, and we have 2 movies. Wow, we're getting 5 movies this Halloween. Then we have the Horror Pack Limited Edition number 40 of The Xing. I'll let y'all hold it up. Sorry for the glare. That is some wicked cover art. That's some creepy stuff on the back. And again, if you would like to pause it to read the synopsis. That's pretty awesome. Third up, we have, I do not have this on Blu-ray, and now I do. We have the not so well received, and I don't know what to think about it, but I have seen it, and I do own it on DVD. We have the director's cut of Todd McFarlane's most famous creation. We have the director's cut of the live-action Spawn. Yeah, I can hear everybody out there like, oh no. Well, I'm glad to have it in my Blu-ray collection as a collector. So, and there you go. If you would like to read the synopsis, you can pause it. And then for special features, let us see here. We have, it's more than just the movie. Special features include commentary by Todd McFarlane, the director, producer, and visual effects supervisor. Interview with Todd McFarlane, behind the scenes making of featurette. Spawn sketch gallery with over 200 original concept illustrations. That will be awesome. Scene to storyboard comparisons, original Todd McFarlane sketches, filter in the Crystal Method music video, original theatrical trailer, and more. So yeah, it's pretty cool. I actually needed that for my collection. Thank you, Horror Pack. I will definitely check this out. I but I'm not expecting a lot of it. And last, but certainly not least, we have... Okay, a movie that I have never seen from the producers of VHS and VHS 2. We have Under the Bed. That is some creepy artwork. I mean, really creepy. And there we go. You can pause that if you'd like to read the synopsis, guys. And as special features go, I don't see any. Seems like to be a monster flick. Can't wait to check this out. Alright, so let us do a quickie recap. We have Under the Bed, the director's cut of Spawn, which a lot of people don't like. I still have to rewatch it. I really can't decide. The Xing. I do like these Horror Pack limited editions. Most of them are independent films, but they are really, really good. And they come with some of the best artwork. We have Tragedy Girls and MFA, Mastering the Art of Revenge. So that is awesome. We have 5 movies this Halloween. So let's go open them up and look at the insides. Be right back, guys. Alright, guys. First up, we got the double feature. Only thing we can see is just a plain background with one disc. It's got both movies on it. And I would guess decent artwork. So yeah, nothing too fancy. And the Horror Pack limited edition, just, you know, nothing fancy there. And there we go. Spawn. Nothing too fancy, just the name Spawn, black, and New Line Cinema. Wouldn't expect too much from a very old movie. And Under the Bed, pretty much same artwork. It's on the front and an eco case, so really not too much to write about. So there we go. There is your horror pack for October 2019 and this Halloween. Not only did we get 4 Blu-rays, we got 5 with a double feature, which I have never seen in a horror pack ever since I have done this. But I do hope, Horror Pack, there are more double features in our future. I would really love to see more double features, and of not just mainstream titles, of indie titles. Let us head back over to the chair and close this video out. Alright guys, we're back. I hope you enjoyed October 2019's Halloween special horror pack. We got some pretty decent titles. Most of them I have not heard of. I know a lot of y'all are screaming at the screen saying, "Oh, Spawn's terrible, why did they put that in there?" But to be fair, it's the only live action Spawn we have, so I'll have to rewatch it and I'll make a decision. Who knows, I may do a review. If y'all want me to do reviews, leave a comment. Ask me what movie I should review for this Halloween. Alright guys, well, until November's horror pack, I'll see y'all next time. And have a great Halloween, guys. Bye.